Hello, my name is Paul Leible, and this is my video section of the Lab 1 report for ME358. And for this lab, we had two design problems. The first of which to design this backhoe mechanism, and then to also design the shock and suspension system for a bicycle within SolidWorks. And for the first design problem, this one was, I think, the trickier of the two, just because we have the two different piston systems as well as a whole bunch of links and joints in between. And we determined earlier in the report that this would have 2 degrees of mobility, which practically would make sense since you need to first be able to change the angle of attack of the bucket to scoop up soils or aggregates or gravel or whatever. And then you would use the second degree of mobility to then raise the bucket nice and high to where you would change the angle of attack again and dump it out into either a dumpster, or in the picture here, we can see a truck in the background. And in representing that in SolidWorks, we were able to show that it does have those 2 degree of mobilities, the first of which being to raise or lower the height of the bucket, and also to then change the angle of attack of the bucket. And of course, here the mechanism would attach to the bulldozer up here at the right, and the bucket, it would attach to the bucket down here toward the left. And then for the second design problem, which was, I think, the easier of the two, we had to design and represent the shock and suspension system of a bicycle, which is just one piston here, and then another frame down by the tire, and then the larger frame where it would attach the rest of the bicycle. And we determined that would have just 1 degree of mobility, which again practically would make sense since we would only just need to move in the direction of the tires bouncing to kind of limit the bounce and kind of absorb the shocks of that. And here in SolidWorks, we can see that the movement like this. Yeah, and again, the rear tire would attach down here to the right, and it would attach to the rest of the bicycle here on the left section. And that will do it for my video section of the report. So thank you for watching.